Hi, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Talha Shahid, and this is my commerce project for uh, web development with Python and JavaScript from Harvard University. So here's my models created: user model, category model, auction listings model, bids model, comments, and watch list models. This is my active listings page, meaning index.html. These are all the listings that have been created yet. These are the categories. Also, we can click here and this page will show all the categories. If no listing is attached to any category, then this will display no listing yet. There is login. This is the watch list. Currently it's displaying only one, as I have added only one. It's all clickable. For example, this one. This listing was closed at this price, this rate, and I'm the winner, so it's congratulating me. Comments: we can't add any comment yet because the auction is already closed, and we also can't add any bid because, as I said, listing is closed. This is the this blue heart means it's been added to my watch list. You can remove here. This will be black and this will be 0. Starting bid was $15, current is 32, 6 bits so far. I can place here. If I enter 30, which is less than current price, it will say new bid must be greater than current bid. If I place $35, it will display bids submitted successfully. Your bid is the highest bid. This is the description, and I can add some comment. Displaying now. From here, we can create a new listing: title, starting bid. These are the categories: which year, zip code, city, countries, almost all of the countries, description, and image. Image is not necessary, it can be null, and if a user has created with no image, it will display like this: no image available. Categories are also displaying able like this. I should sign in with another account. If we go here, currently it's only one bit, meaning it's only a starting bit. So here we will add this list was created Talha, and I have signed in as Hermione. $570. Bid submitted successfully. We should add it to our watch list. Currently no comment. So let's go to watch list, and it's been added. You can see here blue heart, and we should log out to, let's see, with Talha to close the auction. Login, close auction, and here we closed the auction, and it's saying highest bidder is Hermione at $570, and comment is gone because there was no comment. These are the details. Let's log out and again sign in with Hermione to see what happens if the auction is closed, and you are the winner. And you see, when the auction is closed, it is automatically removed from the watch list, so there is no list in watch list. Since Hermione is the winner, congratulations, you are the winner of this auction. these are all the models that I have added. So yeah, thank you. It's this is my project. Love is bye bye.